Ek jou vra vir 'n glasie water.
Go on YouTube, there's plenty of awesome creators doing incredible tutorial videos of how to start up a stream. Like,
Hello, hello. Yes, I'm feeling very well. Doing very well, thank you. Yes, yeah. No, I'm doing very well, thank you guys. Guys, if this if this block gets respected, then price will go back up and we might see a green block. However, if price breaks down, it will come to this side. So like breaking it, going and then coming, we might see a red block. So the level where it's currently at is the deciding factor. Yeah, let's go look at the calendar, and obviously I want to welcome you to our own fucking calendar. Alright, user friendly, basic, straight to the point. Choose the time zone, choose which news do you want, news regarding the dollar, whatnot, and just say high, medium or low risk. Right, just gonna say high risk. And here we're going to go, initial jobless claims. The previous was 208, the forecast 215. So what does that mean? Click on it, it will tell you. Initial jobless claims measures the number of individuals who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. This is the earliest US economic data, but the market impact varies from week to week. Now, very important, a higher than expected reading is taken as negative for the dollar, which means buy on gold, right? Negative dollar, gold up. Positive dollar, gold down. Pretty simple, straightforward, easy, guiding you guys. What more do you want? T1 only traders, boys. T1 only traders. Economic calendar. You don't even need to be logged in. Okay. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So if your USD is a sell, then we should be concerned, or not concerned. We should have an idea that gold might be a sell as well. Okay. Bitcoin probably gonna be a buy. Bitcoin is so bullish, like I don't even know where's the fucking market. It's gone. Like it's I don't see how Bitcoin will be a red one, but let's see. Here's Bitcoins. Guys, how did you guys do with the MSG this morning? Gave a sell, it came to medium risk and then went and swept the low. So who made this money? 300 pips. Are you guys coming right when I'm not going live? Did you guys make money this morning? You had to wait an hour and 10 minutes and then you had the most beautiful sell of your fucking life. Alright, I just want to know, are you guys coming right if I am not there? No guys, I don't want to hear you slept and whatnot. Come on, man. Okay, so currently where gold is at now, why it's struggling to move lower, we are at the retracement level of the golden zone currently, and this means this level we put the block in. So I'm going to remove this. If price does not want to break below, we'll see price going to the very top over here, and we might actually see the block turn green. If it breaks it and stops and doesn't break above, we know we will come down and high chance of seeing a red block. Okay. Took $50 on that trade. That is nice. We will be soon onto the next phase of the Lego method. Pretty soon. Hugo, vir nou fokus jy net op die MSG blok en fokus op die blok. Jy kan eers die ander uitkat tot ek die les vir almal gee. Okay, so hier is jou main fokuspunte, jou MSG blok en hierdie ene, MSG1 en MSG3. We need your guidance and motivation, guys, but what if something happens to me in the future? I'm not going to be there always, so you need to start standing on your own. trading it on your own. Okay, we got a solid break. This is the right type of candle for a break as well. So let's see. It touched into a fair value gap on the left side. It's past the fair value gap on the left side. This is a proper break. Touch this fair value gap here and might now retest to the top and then down. Silver's block is red. Silver is a sell as well. This morning I saw, good Moses. So silver now is a sell. Euro USD is a sell. Bitcoin I think will definitely be a buy. Not too sure. So we might see a retracement up now to here and then down. We want price to stop here now. If it doesn't turn, we'll know we have a great chance of coming to this low. Yeah, let's see, we broke the golden zone area now. So let's see, she's gonna go back here like she's doing now. And she is, and we'll see if she doesn't break above again, we'll see her slowly come back down. Maybe we'll see what's gonna happen. First type of rejection in the zone, we might see it come back to the zone. But first indication of a rejection, very strong rejection. I'm gonna sell this here USD and see where we're gonna end up. Do I even have it here? Chart window, one click trading. Let's add something here. I'm gonna take a chance on Euro USD. And then USD JPY is still standing relatively still. Okay, back to gold. Here we are visiting this level again. Can you guys hear me? I can't add USD there now. Second rejection from our zone. We'll see now what it does. I know I didn't trade, bro. I was on a lot of meds and yeah, I was just resting a bit. Russia. Look what we have built in and look what we have done. We've built in a proper economic calendar. Ja, behoor, die vraag is net tot waar wil ons gaan, wil ons hierdie onder toe gaan, na die zone toe, so ek het hierdie zone in, wat baie sterk support is, vanaf ons hier is, So, wat wil hy maak of want as ons nou kyk ook bietjie na die groter prentjie, kyk hierdie haai ook. So hierdie sone, golden zone wat hy nou breek. Jy weet, hier kom ons nou af. So ons het 'n paar goedjies wat kan gebeur. So ons het nou hierdie en as jy kan sien is daai shoulder en dan is hierdie die head en dan miskien 'n shoulder en dan weer somewhere tot hier. Jy weet en dan is af. Of hy kan hom net so breek so. Ons hele paar goedjies wat kan aangaan. Maar die belangrikste nou is hy die golden zone gebreek. Wel hy het hom basically hy het afgegaan mooi tot daar ook en hy het weer opgegaan ook tot ons level. So net so lyk net so. Jy weet en hy het half amper hierdie retracement nou gedoen. So ons moet nou sien, ons gaan hom nou breek. So hierdie is basically is amper gekompleet. Daar gaan lyk my wil hy hom nou kompleet. Nou sê daar komplete af hierdie move. So kom ons kyk nou gaan hy hom breek. Die Euro USD loop ook nou al in profijt en lekker. Kyk hoe val Euro USD. Sy. And there we go. We have our red block. So we'll see where it wants to retrace. We're gonna have yeah, this block over here. This is a pretty valid block on the top, so let's see. So the nice thing is if we if it pulls back and we want to enter, we will, stop loss will be above this block. So stop loss maybe 4620-ish. 4620, so yeah, it's to enter now is a $20 drawdown. So if a person can get the entry here maybe, which will be a $10 stop loss, right? But this has been completed, so currently this for the downward movement is no longer valid, and I'm gonna start there again. Nice, decent profits. Okay, my trades are nice. We holding sales. Yeah, you can definitely. You can always secure, right? Always secure. So our next real support's at the bottom here. It's completed because look here, the golden zone was from here to there, right? To the top. So it broke it, went back to pull back, didn't go back up, showed us it's going to come at least to this low. So this has been completed. So this is no longer a golden zone for this. Okay. Completed because price moved to where it started. And now we'll have to wait for a new one. So from wherever it's going to turn, it's actually kind of in the same level area. Okay. But we can also expect it to be very bearish and go down more, because this is not even going to form the head and shoulders like we wanted to. You see, we had was the shoulder, the head, and then it needed to stop here, form the second shoulder, then drop. And I mean, it's just like kind of dropping already. Okay. And it's the news as well. Oh, what did the come out as? Jobless claims is a lot less, so very good for the dollar as well. Jobless claims came out less than last month. Very good for the dollar. That's why we're seeing price even dropping more. Okay. Yes, news was very good on both events for the dollar, so that's why nice talk we see. Well, guys, I'm going to close my positions that I entered here. I entered earlier, and I'll see if I can re-enter with you guys. Okay. And look at my Euro USD trade. I took this trade as well. Yes, it's a lot better than expected. Very good for the dollar. Look at my Euro USD trade. Bitcoin, I'll leave it, but it's so bullish currently. Like it's buying the dips, right? Look, every time it dip, you just buy. Dip, buy. So as it dips, you just buy it, right? Look at Euro USD going. Holy shit! And there's gold also. Maybe Bradley. But very possible, yes. Well, let's see. Nice. 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 Very nice. Okay. Well, done. I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna even exit Euro USD, and I am done for the day. I'll sit and chill with you guys. I've made enough. I'm done. I don't know. I think we're gonna come visit this support here. We might actually see it break, but we'll see. We're gonna come to this level over here, so we're already almost there, and yeah. It would be nice if we can come and fish some of you guys and then come, yeah. But it worked out actually very well for me, and that Euro USD also gave me a nice boost. Very tricky though. We have a break of structure over here. Like it's like, so either golden zone's gonna be in between these two zones, or if we take it from the top, it's gonna be in this zone. So yeah, but it's extremely bearish now, extremely. I hope some of you guys are in and are following this FIPS rule, that if it doesn't break above, it will come down. Have you guys made some bucks? Ja, wie? Ek gaan taf vir my water. Ek drink die glas leeg op pad hier na toe, dat ek weer niks om te drink. $80 profit, I'm done. Nice. Straight to China. China, China, China. Guys, look here, I closed my Euro USD trade and it's still going. I took the sell here, it's still going. I exited here and it's still going. That means gold's also just gonna come and go. Brother, you should just take your trade. Like, if you either sell, you made money, take it and go. Or you guys know the rules. Take more than one entry and leave runners, right? 4, 5, 5, 3, maybe. That's actually not a bad zone. 4, 5, 50 is not a bad zone, Bradley. I was speaking to one of the expert traders from XM as well yesterday regarding 4, 5, 50 level. So 4, 5, 50 to 4, 5, 60 level is not a bad level. But it's gonna be difficult to get even there. Like, oh yeah, you see, I like kind of marked it out here. So 4, 5, 70 ish. Guys, on the 5 minute, who can tell me why we stopped here a bit? Who can tell me why we stopped here a bit? Big candle, smaller candle, wicks at the bottom now. Why? Can some tell me in chat why? Guys, I've taught you guys this. I speak about this a lot. Nice, Christian. Come guys in chat, why did gold like take a breather here, almost like it ran out of gas before it's gonna go down? Why? Two guys on kick is correct. We got the fair value gap over here. What did I teach you guys? The first 3 consecutive candles, the middle of the second candle. That's why it stopped here for a minute, and this is where dumb money comes in, right? That's the difference between smart money and dumb money. So there's a lot of dumb money coming in here. Hey, there's a fair value gap, let's buy, and yeah, probably will just take them out like it is doing now. So that's correct, that is correct. The imbalance is the most important part. Yeah, we're not at the resistance level yet, so support level. In other words, support level is a bit more lower. But yeah, fair value gap over here, and then we have this buy side imbalance of this move. Okay. Now, normally what does that mean? We should go back up. But all it did was is just breaking the price a bit, or from falling, the momentum. We should see it continue down a bit more. And there she goes a bit. Yes, I would consider like really partial closing, leaving runners in anywhere from here where it is actually, so it's like $1 away. So yeah, but definitely it can even come and sweep this. But yeah, now we know the next thing for us to keep an eye out is if it reaches this level, what is it gonna do? So we either want to see something like this, same concept that happened here. It broke the golden zone, went back up, it didn't go back above, which tells us it will at least come to here, right? Now the same concept, we want it to break, come back up, don't go back above, and then we know we're continuing down. Okay, pretty straightforward ICT. Okay, but if it stops here, I don't know why this level is so fucking low, but anyway, good lord, what's happening here? If it stops here, then our resistance is here. So kinda our support level here, resistance level over here now. Okay, so these are our 2 levels. And like I say, this is just the fib level, but this is not the fib level anymore, because if we look at price, it's there. I mean, if it comes to this low here, I mean the fib level, look where the fib level will move to, over here, right? So this is no longer a zone at all. Okay. See, we broke past this. They're taking the buyer's money from the fair value gap. It's buying there. We touched this support. We are at it, seeing our first rejection here. But now it's so we are stuck between this level and this level over here. So let's see what it does. Alright, if you were selling, definitely I would be out, or you can leave a runner in. Nice. Ziegler, if not, then it means you were not active trader. So we have to pay a lot of money to to run the servers and stuff, so we give it to guys that's actively trading. So just check your email, bro. And I mean, I'm getting a lot of hate for removing people that's not actively trading. But I mean, what's the use of paying more? And I must pay more and more and more money. You know, I can rather just people that's not actively using it, throw them off. Because there's a lot of new people coming in. And I mean, if you don't want to be an active trader, whatever, there's 9 other WhatsApp groups that's full, 1,000 members each. It's just the T1 trading community I want to build with only traders that I can see is active. And unfortunately, the only way I can see you're active is if you trade on your affiliated account by accident. It's the only way I know you're an active trader or not. Great rejection of the support level here. So our next level is to see what is up here, right? Let's check the golden zone. This is a valid time to take out your FIP. We see price is turning back up. We want to know to where it could go. So we have this, but the golden zone also in the resistance zone as well. If we take it, the whole move is just a little bit more up. Okay. So pretty solid zone here, and if price breaks above this, it will go up. So yeah, this is a pretty decent zone, golden zone, and a resistance level, and we're on our way there. Alright, bro, but just, yeah, you can just check your emails and you can just contact Stefan and he'll throw you back on. Like, I don't even have access to add people to trading. Stefan does all of that. I don't have time to do that. Bum, 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 bum. What is that? 4-6. Yeah, that is 4-6. Let me do this. Let me place a pending order. There. Alright guys, I'm gonna go into a meeting now. I'm gonna leave the stream on. I'm just gonna mute myself for a while. I'll probably see you guys in about half an hour. Guys, yes, I'm still in a meeting. It's very well, nice retracement we have here to the middle of the block now, and this is the zone we are in. We saw one rejection, but it looks like it wants to break it, so maybe higher up, but stop loss just above. It might actually just now go all the way to this zone to the top. Alright, so yeah, just be careful. But yeah, this is a good zone. We saw some rejection. It's back here, but it looks like it wants to break it. It looks like it wants to break it, guys. And so it will definitely do a full retracement to this area over here. So entry is going to be in this block, stop loss just above it, and then leave it. Remember one thing also, we have this green block's highest over here, so this high can be swept, and before coming down to sweep this low. So always keep in mind this block was turned green, and here's the high. So yeah, best will be to enter here or to wait a bit. Wait for it to sweep it, and as it comes back down, then enter and target this area. This block's high is over there, né? So we could potentially see this high being visited and then coming down, maybe to sweep this, or it can go a bit higher to sweep the high over here, and then move down. But yeah, so this is the important zone to determine if it's going there. So looks like it wants to reject here, but there's a lot of volume going up. I think definitely we're going to visit this area over here. Well, this is what the Asia block is telling us, right? We're going to visit this high. What level is this? Now, see, it's already broken through the golden zone, so definitely to the upside. I entered the sell. my sell is here, and then I'll enter one here and exit just above if it goes up. Thank you. And I won't even put the fast stop loss, guys, somewhere here. And then if it breaks it, you know, and it stops here and it starts turning, then I'll sell for this level again. Alrighty guys, my stop loss I'm putting on break even. I'm going back into the meeting. I'll see you guys. No. Guys, just be safe now. Stop loss just above this area over here, and then leave it. Once it starts turning and wants to come down, we can target this low over here. Okay, so my stop loss is very tight.